This video is going to help you find the missing angle of any triangle when given three sides. The first thing you have to do is understand the formula and how it looks, and then add a few things to the formula to make it a little bit easier for you to do the calculations. Now, the formula you see in the bottom left of my screen here, the window right over here, you're going to notice that it has some boxes around the different parts of the formula. That kind of helps break it up. But you can actually do this calculation all in one step. I'm going to walk you through how to do that. The first thing you have to do is identify what is your A, B, and the C side. Since you're, first of all, when you look at a triangle, when you're given three sides of the triangle, like you see right here, there's a side, and there's a side. We have a situation or condition that I would call this side, side, side. So whenever you have a side, side, side triangle situation like this of information, you're going to use law of cosines. Now, here's how it works. You have to identify A and B. Now, since X is the angle we're trying to find, and X is directly across from this 11.8, that is going to be the C information. So this is going to be your side C. Other two sides then become your A and B. It doesn't matter which one you make A and which one you make B. So I'll call this 9.4 side A, and I'll call this one side B. Now from here, the rest of it is just a matter of you taking the sides you've identified and put them into the formula. Watch as I do that. So I'm going to go to my calculator. I'm going to press second cosine, and then I put in A squared. Now, before I do that, notice your calculator already gives you one pair of parentheses. I need another pair of parentheses to start my numerator of this fraction. So I'm going to go second parentheses, and now I'll start putting my A, B, and C information in here. Watch. I'm going to go A squared, 9.4 squared, and then I'm going to go plus my B squared, so plus 7.2 squared, and then I'm going to do minus the C squared, which is 11.8, so minus 11.8 squared, and then I'm going to close off the parentheses with that first orange parenthesis that you see right there. Then I'm going to divide by the lower parenthesis. That starts right here. So I'm going to start a new pair of parentheses for the denominator. Then it's just 2 times my A side, 9.4, and then times my 7.2, 7.2. And then I close off the parentheses for the denominator. And then I'm going to close off the parentheses for the inverse cosine. That's what allows us to find the angle. And when I press enter, that's it. The angle for angle X in this question here, X is going to equal 89.59 degrees. It is that easy. I hope that when you try your question using side, 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 that you use this formula, but just make sure you're paying attention to how many pairs of parentheses you need. You need one for the finding of the angle, a pair of parentheses for the numerator, divided by a pair of parentheses for the denominator, and that is it. I hope this wasn't too hard, and hope this video helps. Good luck.